Bear's Magical Storybook.
Hello, my dear friends. Gather around because tonight I have a spooky but fun story to share with you. It's about a brave little rabbit who had a mysterious adventure. I think you'll all love it.
Yay, we love your stories, Benji.
Once upon a time, in a forest much like ours, there was a little rabbit named Rosie. Rosie was very curious and loved to explore new places. One night, Rosie noticed a strange glowing light coming from an old abandoned burrow deep in the forest.
Oh, what was it, Benji?
Rosie decided to find out. She gathered her courage and hopped towards the burrow. As she got closer, the light grew brighter. She peeked inside and saw a magical lantern hanging from the ceiling, casting eerie shadows on the walls.
What did Rosie do?
Rosie was a bit scared, but her curiosity got the better of her. She stepped inside and suddenly heard a soft, whispering voice. "Welcome, brave Rosie," the voice said. It was a friendly ghost named Glimmer, who had been living in the burrow for many years.
What did Glimmer want?
Glimmer explained that the lantern was enchanted and needed to be kept safe. He asked Rosie to help him protect it from anyone who might misuse its magic. Rosie agreed and promised to visit Glimmer often to make sure the lantern stayed safe.
Wow, Rosie was so brave.
Yes, she was. Rosie and Glimmer became good friends. Rosie learned that even though the burrow looked spooky, it was actually a place of wonder and magic. With Glimmer's help, she discovered new adventures and learned the importance of courage and friendship.
What a beautiful story, Benji.
Thank you, my friends. Remember, sometimes things that seem scary can turn out to be amazing adventures if you face them with bravery and kindness. Now, let's all enjoy the rest of this lovely evening together.
Please like, subscribe, and share with all the kids.